Now we see the AOI optical detector. The principle of AOI optical detection is through the identification and calculation of the sample image into a pattern of image comparison, the production of a PCBA through a sample checker detection by detecting a component of a welding, a structure of the solder joint, the precision of the screen printing and pasting of components will be automatically identified. After that, inspection is completed. The corresponding operator will pay attention to confirm the defective and false positives according to a situation of AOI alarm. Label the defective ones, and we will pay attention to confirm the false positives. If the defective ones are found, we will timely feedback to an SMT equipment engineer and technician in front. Carry out an exception handling and debugging to ensure a high-quality product output.